The Thin Brick Collection is a classic concept reinvented, made of 2x8 natural stone tiles coming on both mesh and loose. This collection features a blend of natural colors and textures, creating a variety of design possibilities. Being lightweight and easy to install, it's also suitable for both interior and exterior applications. Our lime black thin brick offers a subtle and neutral design scheme that complements both modern and classic settings, available in a 6x24 mesh and also loose 2x8 tiles, both being in a tumbled finish. The Sedona blend offers a warm, rustic blend using 3 distinct sandstones that pair well with both classic and contemporary design concepts. It displays moderate beige hues with modest contrast, offered as a 6x24 on mesh or loose 2x8 tiles, both being in a tumbled finish. Both mesh and loose tiles come pre-blended, allowing for easy installation. The Purebeck Gray is a unique limestone that provides both classic and contemporary appeal, suitable for any setting. It displays a range of soft gray tones with subtle contrast. Available as a 6x24 mesh with the blend of both bush-hammered and distressed pieces, or 2x8 individual tiles with just the distressed finish, which encourage design creativity. The Skyline blend provides a sleek and cool aesthetic perfect for modern designs. It features soft tones and subtle contrasts, enhancing focus on structure and color. Available as a 6x24 on mesh with a mix of bush-hammered and tumbled pieces, or loose pieces and 2x8 tiles that are only tumbled. This sandstone is suitable for both interior and exterior applications for both floors and walls. Our Absolute Black Thin Brick is a favorite amongst hospitality projects, providing a contemporary and clean design element. It's available in a 6x24 mesh with 2x8 individual flame tiles. This stone and finish are the same as our popular Absolute Black Flame Granite tiles. The Everest Blend Thin Brick presents a sleek and modern aesthetic ideal for soft, contemporary design schemes. It offers a subtle neutral color harmonizing with either lighter or darker tones. Available in a 6x24 mesh, this sandstone is a blend of both tumbled and bush-hammered finishes, suitable for both interior and exterior applications. Our Thin Brick collection has multiple display options. We offer 12x24 grouted boards, a set of 3 library boards displaying all SKUs, custom 19x24 grouted boards, as well as loose 2x8 samples. You can also request catalogs from customer service or your sales rep.